Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Chris, the Lawn and Life. Got another little project going on with the extra time we have. Not been able to go anywhere. I got this small section in my backyard. I don't give near as much attention to my backyard as I do my front yard. So I'm just try to get some seed down in this small area to make it look a little bit better. Alright, as you'll see when the video starts, at the beginning, stuff I've already filmed, this was full of leaves and just debris, so I've already gotten the leaves up, and now we're in the process of getting rocks and some of these small roots that are in the ground. Got Brody here and got my daughter Anna out here. She's helping a little bit as well, but it's a very small area, and I got some, I'll show you in a minute, some Zoysia sun and shade mix. Only needs a few hours of sun a day, and this gets that, so we're going to see how it does. So we'll start the video. Alright guys, I got majority of the leaves up, got a few stragglers, so that part's done. So now the next step is I got to come through and get heavier rocks up, and I got a couple roots and we'll try to do something with. The reason you want to make sure you get as much debris and rocks as you can when you're putting seed down, especially big rocks of course, and even some of the small ones, you want to get this up because that's going to affect the seed rooting down to the soil. It's very similar to like new construction sites. If a lot of building materials and debris get left in the soil, it can affect sod or whatever if you're putting some type of other grass down up north. Mostly Bermuda sod gets down here on the construction sites. Anyway, I'm rambling. You want to get all that up so the sod or seed, whatever you're putting down, can root. Rocks and debris like that will prevent it from rooting. Alright, we pretty much got all the rocks up. So the next step I'm going to have to do is, we got a lot of trees towards the back of the yard. Got a few, some vines over in a section as well. So I got to get some of these roots up that are over here, just small ones. We got Brody over here with his hatchet. Be careful getting those roots up. Not too bad, nothing big. And then we about got it. And I don't care how many times you pull rocks up. I was just using that rake to level out the soil. You're gonna keep finding rocks. Keep getting them up so that you can get better seed to soil contact and better root growth. Like I said, those rocks will impede that. Alright guys, we're about done for the day. Made some decent progress. We got all the leaves up, got just tons of rocks and debris up and roots. The next step, I'm gonna get some stuff and close in underneath my deck right here, because I have dogs that like to get up under the deck and they'll be able to crawl through and get over this area once I get seed down. So I'm gonna block that off. Then all I'll have to do right here is, I know that's a mess right there, but that's the next project. But anyway, then I'll have to block off right here to keep it once I get the seed down. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. It's pretty warm here in Alabama. I think we had record highs today and yesterday in the high 80s, which is pretty warm for late March. Anyway, click subscribe, click like if you like the video. Next step, like I said, I'm going to be closing in underneath my deck so my dogs can't crawl up under there and get to when I lay seed down. Then I'm going to get some good topsoil to put down right here. And then I'll be laying the seed. I got some starter fertilizer, and I'll probably even get a little peat moss to mix in with the seed once I get it down. Anyway, I appreciate everybody watching. I'll check in later. Everybody have a great day. Chris, the Lawn and Life.